Okay, so Gospel of Luke chapter 24 tayo. And then verse 13. So manginig muna kayong lahat. So sabi rito, okay? And behold, two of them went the same day to a village called Emmaus. So this is the place. This is the village of Emmaus, which was from Jerusalem about threescore furlongs. And they talked together of all these things which had happened, and it came to pass that
Yan na
while they communed together and reasoned, Jesus himself drew near and went with them, but their eyes were holden that they should not know him. So itong dalawang disciples na to, nagmamarindisan nung nangyari sa Jerusalem about the Lord Jesus Christ. Ngayon, hindi sila lumilingon doon sa nag-join sa kanila na person, not knowing that's the Lord Jesus Christ. So tuloy natin. And he said unto them, what manner of communications are these that ye have one to another as ye walk and are sad? And the one of them whose name was Cleopas, answering said unto him, art thou only a stranger in Jerusalem, and hast not known the things which are come to pass there in these days? And he said unto them, what things? And they said unto him, concerning Jesus of Nazareth, which was a prophet, mighty in deed and work before God and all the people, and how the chief priests and our rulers delivered him to be condemned to death, and have crucified him. But we trusted that it had been he which should have redeemed Israel. And beside all this, today, take note, today is the third day since these things were done. So in other words, pinag-uusapan nitong dalawang ito kung totoo talaga na muling mabubuhay yung Panginoong Kristo after 3 days. Kasi yun yung sabi niya na after 3 days, He's going to rise again from the dead. So ay ikatlong araw na. Tapos itong dalawa talagang they are thinking